Hello, my name is Lily, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change the date of birth on Instagram. There are a couple of things that I'll walk you through, so just follow this exact process with me and let's get started right away. First of all, let's go ahead and launch our Instagram app over here and then click on the profile button over here. Once on this page, tap Edit Profile, and you'll see at the very bottom of the screen it says Personal Information Settings, so go ahead and tap on that. When you're on this page, you can update your email address or phone number associated with your account, and as you can see, at the very bottom, it shows my birthday. If you can't change your birthday by going through this process, and if your Facebook account is linked to your Instagram account, you'll need to go over to Facebook to change your date of birth. So if you exit out of this and go into Facebook, you can tap these three lines up top here, and then select your profile icon, and then go to Edit Profile, and then scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see Edit Your About Info. And then scroll down just a bit, and as you can see here under Basic Info, you can now see my date of birth here, and I'll just click Edit if I just want to. Then I can just get here and edit my date of birth here, and that will also integrate it to Instagram, so simply, when you've linked your Facebook and Instagram accounts together, you just have to update your birth date on Facebook so it moves on to Instagram. And that is how you change your Instagram date of birth. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.